Very dear sisters and brothers, Happy New Year. I've always been asked one common question, whether they are very matured elderly abhyasis or very new budding flowers of spirituality in the form of our young students at KCC and THLC. And that question remains how to balance material and spiritual life, how to maintain the spiritual state inside, how to maintain the spiritual condition inside. And we all know the answer. Yet such questions haunt us now and then. The answer is very simple. Before we can maintain a spiritual condition, entertain a spiritual condition, or grow from that spiritual condition, is to first have a condition. Give a birth of spiritual condition in your heart. And that's possible only when we meditate. People also ask, Daaji, bless us. It's a foolishness to ask such things. How would you get the blessings of the great hierarchy? Even when Lord Krishna was around, how many could benefit from his presence and derived the blessings of his existence? I would boldly say none of them. It was his mercy that he gave. One needs to have open heart to receive anything. You can say, I want something, but your hearts are closed, so how are you ever going to receive it? It's not ladies' big shopping bags that they carry with them, handbags. So sometimes I jokingly say, have you got a bag, big bag to carry the blessings back home? Open your heart and you will never have to ask, give me a blessing, my dear God. Opening the heart itself will bring about revolution in the society, in your own life to start with. How do we open the heart? Destroy the wall, the veils, inhibitions, prejudices, built-in prejudices based on the past. Take a risk, be vulnerable. And so what in this process of opening the heart, you get hurt now and then, accept it. That will make us stronger. So let's begin this new year by dreaming to open our heart to embrace and accommodate the entire existence. And that's what God is. If we want to become divine in nature, we'll have to partake of those qualities. Otherwise, we remain like oil and water. To explain this a bit more elaborately, the final state as described by Kabir Sahib is that raindrops falling in the ocean, becoming the ocean. But what if the oil drops were raining in the ocean? They'll float forever. The ocean may open up and say, okay, however oily you may be, drop in me, but you'll still float. Why nature and the nation of the ocean must be same, similar, exact ditto. Only then we can merge. Only then oil can merge with the ocean and become the ocean. I cannot remain the way I am and expect to become divinized. So the destruction at individual level is possible. Transformation at individual level is number one priority. That means change, and change means inconvenience. Go through this little bit of inconvenience and adjust. Be flexible. That's the message we have shared this time. And thank you.